Want to share a video on X, but not sure how to upload it properly? In this video, I'll show you how to post videos on your X account using your phone in just a few simple steps. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the post button to create a new post. This will open the post editor where you can type text, add media, and customize your post before publishing it. Now tap on the gallery or media icon near the bottom of the screen. Your phone's gallery will open and show your photos and videos. Find the video you wanted to upload, then tap on it to select it. After selecting the video, X will attach it to your post automatically, depending on the video length. You may also see editing options appear. You can trim the beginning or end of the video if needed using the built-in editor. Once you're happy with the preview, tap Done or continue to the next screen. Now, in the text box above the video, type your caption, thoughts, hashtags, or anything you want to include with the post. You can also tag people or add additional media if needed. Before posting, it's a good idea to quickly review the video and caption to make sure everything looks correct. Once ready, tap on the post button. Your video will now begin uploading to X. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.